Dear students, today we will further use the loop structure to solve some of the real world problems. One of the problem you will have to solve in computer science in your career is the sorting, which means that you have a long list of names or numbers or any kind of data, and you want to sort that data according to certain criteria. And of course, if the data is alphabets, then the criteria would be that you either want to sort it alphabetically from ascending to descending order, or in the form of descending order, that the highest characters are replaced on the top and then the lowest characters are coming at the end. So this kind of ascending or descending order can be used to sort the characters. And similarly, if you have numbers, then we can again perform ascending or descending sorting of the numbers, so arranging those elements in an order. So today we will be discussing one important algorithm that is about the sorting and known as insertion sort. So actually we have these five names: Fred, Alex, Diana, Byron and Carol, and we want to sort them in a way that Alex should come on the top and then Byron, Carol. Sorted. It should be sorted in a descending order. This is basically the requirement. Like Alex should go at the top, then starting from B, Byron, and then the C1, Carol, then the D, Diana, and then Fred. So this should be the final output of your algorithm. And what constraints we have to solve it? One of the thing is the sorting the list within itself. So we will not be given further space to move the names to that space. So we need to reuse the same space to sort this list. And moving to another list is not allowed, and this is because we want to utilize space efficiently. This doesn't mean that we do not have enough space. Today we have very large spaces available, but the problem is that when we apply such kind of sorting algorithms, then it may happen that we have a very long list of million and billion of things which we want to sort. And in that scenario, putting or using another list, of course, will utilize a lot of memory. And what would be the sorting procedure in insertion sort? So we will say that sub list consisting of only the top name is actually sorted, followed by the next sub list is not sorted, and then we will pick the first element from the unsorted list and we will try to sort it between first and second. So I will apply it, then you will really understand that what's happening. So at the moment when we have such a list, we can say that this list, which I have put in a rectangle, this list is not sorted, and we are saying that Fred is sorted already. So next time we will pick one from this list, the Alex, and we will try to adjust Alex with by comparing it with the sorted list, which is upward, Fred. So this means this Alex will be compared with Fred, and we will have Alex upward, Fred downward, and then Diana, Byron, and Carol. So now we are saying that this list, which is highlighted in the rectangle, is not sorted. However, these two have been sorted at least. So this means that we are picking one by one the name from the downward list, which is unsorted, starting from the topmost element, like the next one would be the Diana, and we are trying to put that element in a proper location within the sorted list, which is upward. So this means that when we pick Diana from here, we will try to adjust between Alex and Fred, and then we will say that the upward list is sorted and downward list is unsorted. So we will explain and basically execute this example in the next module as well in details. So here we just wanted to get an idea that what is insertion sort, what is the basic philosophy, and how it works by considering the topmost element is sorted and the below elements are unsorted, then picking the next element from the unsorted list, the top element from the unsorted list, and comparing it with the sorted list and placing it at a right position, and then saying, okay, now the top two elements are sorted and the next elements are unsorted, and then we are executing this process again and again up till whole list is sorted. So such an example will be executed in the next module.